Hey, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to Too Much Tech. And in today's video we have a double unboxing of the new ASTRO A50s. Unboxing the ones for both Xbox One and PS4. Obviously these just came out, I want to say, in about August, September time frame. Around then I had already spent a bunch of money on the new A40 TRs, the Mix-Amp Pro, and yeah, those were a really good headset. But recently, personally, I've been wanting to try a wireless gaming headset, but I was just really impressed with the A40, so I've been using those for like the past 4 years, and I feel like the A50s, especially with the new base station and being able to be compatible with both consoles by just switching the base station, is really cool because you can use the same headset, obviously. So me and a buddy both are going to be using the A50s, and then yeah, if we want to play on console, we'll just swap base stations because I'm pretty sure we won't be playing on the same console at the same time. So yeah, that's pretty nice. We both saved some money. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing because I'm really excited to see what is inside the box. Well, obviously, I'm sure it's pretty basic, but yeah, I'm sure the unboxing experience is going to be pretty good because Astro always does a fantastic job with that. All right, guys, so obviously right here, we're going to start with the Xbox version. Let's go ahead and see what is in this baby. So we get the Astro A50 wireless and the base station. Dolby Atmos 2-year activation code included. That's interesting. You need an activation code for Dolby Atmos. Is this going to be like a subscription type thing? I really hope not, but it is what it is, I guess. I probably won't use it. Like, that's one of those like really rare things that you use. But yeah, one of the cool things with the A50s is that with the mic, you have flip to mute. So if you flip the mic switch up, it automatically mutes the mic. So that's pretty cool. You can use A50 mod kits. I've never really used them in the past because I haven't really I'm not really worried about the mod kits per se, because I really like the openness of the sound stage of the Astros that I've been really comfortable with for a long time. So I don't know, maybe I'll get bored and I'll buy a mod kit and try it out, but we'll see. 3D audio compatible, 15+ hour rechargeable battery, so that's gonna be nice. That's gonna be interesting to test out to see if they actually last for about 15 hours. Built-in mix amp, and then obviously they have the Astro soft. Well, my voice went out right there. They have the Astro software that you can download in Windows 10 in the Microsoft Store. So definitely download that, configure your headset a little bit, and get it so it's perfect to your needs. Because you can change like the EQs and the mic monitoring and all that stuff. So give that a go. All right, let's go ahead and open this thing because my voice is leaving us. Oh, you know what? You just open the one side. Oh, okay. Maybe I should have left the tape on the other side. All right. So I think this is the way that we open the box. Put the knife over there for a second. And are we wrong? Nope, we're right. Cool. Up front and center is our Astro A50 headset. Finally got the camera to focus. Let's get a solid look at these boys. Ooh, they look pretty freaking sweet. They feel just as light as the A40s, even though they have a lithium battery on the inside. So it's nice that it didn't add too much to the weight of the headset. And I'm pretty sure it's still gonna be really comfortable to wear for long periods of time. Let's go ahead and peel the plastic off the microphone. On the Xbox version, they got like these bronze accents, and I think that they look pretty nice. I'm not 100% in love with it, but yeah, they look pretty good. And then you got like these gloss black bars right here for the adjustable headband, so that's pretty nice. They have the lines so that you can measure it precisely, so that anytime you put them on, you can make sure they're at the same height for your comfort. And you can pull off these ear cups and the top as well to switch them out for the mod kits. So I wonder if you can switch out the tags on the A50. This one for sure, because this is where your touch controls are. Are these touch controls? No, these are a button. So this is a button on this side for your voice and for your volume. So these are buttons for voice and volume. Let's see, the Dolby mode, this must be power, the equalizer, the volume wheel. Not too much on the left side other than the microphone. So it's nice that they kept one of the sides pretty freaking clean. Yeah, that is the headset. Got our optical cable right here. I've got enough of these, so I'll just go ahead and leave this in the box. Then we've got our base station. Go ahead and peel that plastic off, ASMR. Any more? Nope. Then we just got an Astro USB cable to be able to hook it up to your Xbox or your PC so that you can get voice chat and audio and all that stuff. On console, obviously be sure to use the optical cable if you want better sound quality. Otherwise, your USB is just going to be for voice. But on PC, you can use the USB for voice and game audio. Yes, you can use optical, but personally, I just prefer to use the USB connection on PC. Got my Dolby Atmos 2-year activation. So I guess this is an Xbox exclusive. So you have to download the Dolby Atmos Xbox app. I recall seeing it in the Xbox store somewhere. Instruction booklet is pretty simple to use, so I don't really need that. So go ahead and throw this stuff back in the box. So obviously when you've got these connected, what you're gonna do, you'll just plug in your micro USB here. If you're gonna be using these on console, you plug in your optical right here so that you would get all your improved game audio. Pretty important, don't forget to do that or else you will not get sound. Also, if you're playing on console, be sure to switch it over to your respective console mode. Because the PC mode, it'll send all the audio more than likely through the USB cable. And of course, if you really want, you can charge your headset via USB, but that kind of defeats the purpose of getting the A50s because you can just very gently and nicely place them on the dock and they charge wirelessly. So you never have to worry about fiddling and having it on a stand and plugging it up and all that stuff. They just make it really easy when you're done with the headset. It's got magnets in there too. You just drop it on the dock and it's super easy. Look at that, charging, not charging, charging, not charging. All right, I'm done. So with the PlayStation version, there is no Dolby Atmos. They have Dolby Audio built into the mix amp and the headset, but you will not have Dolby Atmos like you would on Xbox One. So kind of unfortunate, but PlayStation doesn't have the software for Dolby Atmos, so that's kind of something that you'll miss out on. But it's virtual anyway, so it doesn't really matter too much when it comes to your real life gameplay. So here's the PlayStation headset. It's got basically the same design language as the Xbox version, but instead of the copper accents, you just have a nice little silver accent there. It's all matte and they basically look largely the same. But yeah, that's just the easiest way to tell if it's a PlayStation or Xbox headset. But obviously, like I said, if you want to use it on more than one console, you don't have to have two headsets. You can just buy multiple base stations. And I think the bases are like maybe 100 or 120 or 130 bucks. I'll throw it up on the screen so you guys can see it on Amazon or Astro's website. And yeah, you can just buy a base station for each console respectively. Pretty much the exact same stuff. So obviously, you got your base station here for PlayStation 4, and yeah, we're gonna leave all that stuff in there because we got one of them basically unboxed. Pretty much all the same stuff. There's nothing extra in the PlayStation box. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's unboxing video of the Astro A50s. Of course, you guys can expect my full thoughts in the next couple of weeks or so. And yeah, I might even compare the A50s to the A40 TRs and say, hey, is it really worth it to spend the extra $50 to get the wireless convenience, or should you just go wired? And we'll see if there's a really big difference in the sound quality. So I'm really excited to see if I'm gonna be let down for the first time by Astro or what, man. Usually they make some pretty good products, and I assume that this is gonna be the same. So hopefully they do not disappoint. These have gotten some pretty good reviews, and I hope that mine will be the same. But otherwise, thank you guys so much once again for tuning in. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new. Also, don't forget to join November's giveaway. Gleam link is the first link in the description below for the Cooler Master MM710, our giveaway of the month. Drop some comments of what you guys want me to go over in the full review of the Astro A50s. Also, in my Discord, I did just start a new thread for the Q&A for the month of November. So if you guys have any questions that you're curious about me, my life, YouTube, my setup, equipment that I use, games I like to play, whatever, feel free to join my Discord and drop it in the channel Q&A for the month of November. That's all I got, guys. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.